What's up YouTube? This is Bullseye8231 and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the windshield wipers on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This will be the same for pretty much all Toyota models and Highlanders, pretty much year 2013 through about 2019. And then even the newer models will probably have pretty much the same concept, if not exactly the same procedure. So the first thing you do is you need to buy new windshield wipers. You need a 26-inch and a 20-inch. I'm just going to change the 26 and the 20 on the front, and I am going to change the back windshield wiper as well, but the back windshield wiper is going to be in a different video, so I'll post a link to some new wipers you can purchase online for your vehicle, and a link to the video for changing the back wiper. All right, so you get both of your windshield wipers up, and if you notice right here, it has a clip. We're actually gonna twist that up, and then you just pull the wiper straight down, and it's gonna come right out of there. This may be an actual Toyota wiper, and so that might be why it's a little bit fancier with the clips. Sometimes the clip is underneath here, and you just kind of push it in and pull it out. But that's the 26-inch. The 21-inch, it's going to be exactly the same. So we can get to it, I'm going to pull it up like this. Again, you just kind of pull that tab, we'll push it up and push down, and it comes right out. So once you get it out, it should look like this. And what we're going to do is take your new wiper, and you're going to put the hook side. See how it's rounded? It's flat on one side, hooked on the other. So you're gonna put the rounded hook side up underneath here like this, and basically just push up. You wanna push it till it clicks. All right, so there it goes, clicks. And then you just basically put your windshield wiper down, and you're ready to go with your new wiper. So we'll do the same on the other side. Gotta get this one out the package. Again, we're gonna get the hook side, put it in, feel it click, and just put it down. And that is how you change your windshield wipers on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions, and like and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos. Again, that was a 26-inch and a 20-inch wiper. We'll see y'all next time.